Hi, my name is Simon, and you're watching Soundwave TV transforming your video experience. Okay, I got some Loot Crate boxes that came in the mail. They've been sitting in the closet on my desk for a couple months. I've been meaning to look into them, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. Now, in the last box, they gave me some video game items from Fallout and was it Borderlands. Not familiar with those games. I know they exist. I just never got around to playing them. But let's see what's in this Loot Crate box. I'm not sure if the tape will come off. So you guys see my t-shirt here. You know, I'm UA High Fresh. Exactly. You got a favorite student in UA? Got a favorite quirk? Put it in the comments down below. All right, let's see what is in here. First off, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. All right, let's see what is in here. If this box will come open. Please, little juice glasses, little tiki SpongeBob and Patrick. Aloha from Bikini Bottom. Perfect. You have a friend over, want to take a few shots back and forth. Trying here. And the other one. Yeah, the other one. Oh, okay. The other one, this is slightly different. First one just SpongeBob and Patrick. The other one's got Squidward as well. Did you know Patrick, he got his own show now on Nickelodeon. All right, ain't that something? Yeah, but all right, that's nice. I like them juice glasses. All right, here. All right, okay. Now, next up, we got a little cowabunga action. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You got a nice... This is definitely comics inspired. Fighting a samurai guy in the background. I don't believe it's Shredder. Shredder's helmet's a little different, but yeah, definitely TMNT comics inspired. It's a little bit, well, actually a lot of bit snug. So I have to see if my cousin, or see one of my cousins likes it or can wear it. But yeah, looks nice, comfy material here from the good folks of Loot Crate. Little Ninja Turtle action. All right, let's see here. All right, next up we got Guardians of the Galaxy. Peter Quill himself. Star-Lord. Let's get in here, see what all this is about. It's a collecting build. So, am I collecting and building? Whoa. Okay. Yeah. Part 1 of Star-Lord, and I guess I'm supposed to connect them together with the other members of the Guardians of the Galaxy group, Gamora and Rocket. But yeah, exactly. I like the Guardians movies, not just super crazy about them, but you know, always solid. So yeah. All right. And the last item here is all right. 30th anniversary of Rugrats. Now I ain't believe Rugrats been around 30 plus years. And it's a Reptar pin. Reptar is going to be in that new Nickelodeon crossover fighting game. It plays a little bit like Smash Brothers. People are saying it, but I don't know. There's only one Smash. And ooh, it's a nice, pretty gold Reptar. Okay. Put it on my coat there. If I have a nice little dress jacket, I could put it on there. Nice little conversation piece starter. Anyway, well, that's everything I got. You know, got a little SpongeBob, a little Reptar, Rugrats, some Guardians of the Galaxy, and Ninja Turtles as well. Which one is your favorite franchise? Put in the comments down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to find out about future videos. Until next time, this is Soundwave signing off. Peace.